handlebar, the project, line rise. Then yung frame ko, Kensho 8, size 20. Yan. Yung cranks, hoist leg, nilagyan ko na lang ito ng tape para di masyadong matanggal. Prison V8 pegs, enemy 4.5. Then yung cassette, Kensho A1. Yan, Kensho A. Then yung rim, Kench pa rin. Yung plate ko, ito plate, yung plato, the project. Yan. Project. Yung pedal, Kensho USA pa rin. Kench. Yung seat, enemy, pabuitan. Then seat post, enemy pa din. Yan, enemy. Yung tires, Vandals 2.40. Stainless hooks, Kench front hub, Kench rim, Infinix Sport. Yan, Infinix. Headset, the project. Enemy grip, Canon Sting.